Hello everyone, I am Kiranjit here from AK Nursing Academy. Today we are going to discuss a very important and commonly asked question by students. Can we attempt the DHA exam without data flow? The answer is yes. You can attempt the DHA exam without completing data flow initially. However, this option should be used only if you are 100% sure that all your documents are genuine. So let me give you a clear warning here. If you submit fake documents, this letter and manipulated certificates, the Dubai Health Authority detect it. You can ban for 2 years. During this 2-year ban period, you cannot attempt the DHA exam. You cannot apply again. Your time, efforts and money will be completely wasted. That's why we always advise students to apply honestly and carefully. If your documents are genuine, there is no problem. But if anything is fake, the consequences are very serious. So please be alert, informed and careful before